Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I'm Natalia. In this pandemic situation, I know all of you are looking to work from home and earn an income. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing, how to get started, and what are the few programs available in India for affiliate marketing. Now first, what is affiliate marketing? So it is a business model where you sell the products of another business and earn a commission from it. And the commission varies between 10% to 20%, and sometimes you can even earn 50% of the product, the 50% commission of the product that you sell. Now, let's talk about how to start this affiliate marketing from home. Number one, choose your product or your affiliate program. So here you have to pick a product that you are passionate about. For example, if you are passionate about lipsticks or makeup and you want to sell the products of another brand, another makeup brand, and if you know for sure that your audience are into makeup and fashion, then definitely go for it. You should always see what your target audience wants and sell products accordingly. So if you follow the simple trick of going behind your passion and knowing your target audience, you can sell your products easily. For example, if you are selling a lipstick and if your audience clicks on the link that you provide and they purchase that lipstick, then you will be earning a commission out of it. And not just that, always look for trends. Always look for trends and see what products are trending, what products are easy to sell, and what your target audience wants. And if you pick a product accordingly, then you will be earning a lot immediately. Number two, choose a platform. After picking your product, the second thing that you should look at is the audience, where your audience are available, how to reach your audience, what kind of platforms to use. So the most popular available platforms are YouTube, Instagram, or blogs, Pinterest. So all these blogs are very much popular right now. So if you want to target audience and bring your audience and make them click on your link and purchase your products, then pick the right platform which suits you. So if you are a person who's into making videos, then definitely go for YouTube or Instagram. If you're very good with your words, then go for blogs or Pinterest. And there's no rule that you have to stick to just one platform. So first pick a platform, build your audience there, and eventually get on other platforms and start building your audience there as well. Number three, choose your audience. For example, if you are a fitness blogger or you're trying to sell products related to fitness, but your target audience are very much foodies. They like to see food and they like to see you cooking and all that. So if you try to sell your fitness products to those audience, it will not work out. So you need to first pick a niche, that is it fashion or fitness or food? Pick a niche and then stick to it. And then start building your audience according to your niche. That way, when you post a link about your product, when you promote your product, your audience will be interested and you will be earning a lot of commission from it. Number four, build your sales funnel. So the basic idea here is that whenever you go with a campaign or whenever you post a promotion of your product, the first thing that you should do is capture your audience attention within the first few seconds. And then you have to push them in the right direction and make them take the action that you want them to take. And the action that you want them to take is click on your link and purchase the product. That way you will be earning a commission. Number five, drive traffic. That is short term or long term. First, let's talk about short term traffic. For this, the first is the pro tip. So what you can do is you yourself are an influencer, but you can pick another few influencers who have the same target audience as you and run your advertisements to those audience as well. Now that is called a pro tip. Next is paid ads. You can run these paid ads on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or anywhere else you want, and this is only for a period of time. So how much ever time the ad gets shown to your audience, you will get immediate traffic and then you can turn them into sales. Last but not the least, for short-term traffic, you go for paid promotion. Now here you have to reach out to other influencers who has the same target audience as you and ask them to promote your products. So there you'll be paying them a little bit extra money to make this promotion. But make sure that they are promoting your affiliate link so that when their audience click on your link, you will be getting the commission for the sales. Now let's talk about long-term traffic. The first popular method of getting long-term traffic is SEO, that is search engine optimization. Here you'll have to use relevant keywords to promote your products so that it reaches more people who search for those keywords. And when people search for those keywords, your products will show up and they will immediately be taking the action of going to that link, clicking that link and purchasing your product. The second method is influencer marketing. Now this is very similar to the paid promotion. Here you reach out to other influencers and let them promote your products or your link. First we have SalesShare, then we have AdmitAd India, Then we also have the We Commission, then we had Rakuten Networks, Amazon Associates, and even eBay Associates. So these are the few networks that you can try and join their affiliate program and start earning today. Now you must be thinking, why this affiliate marketing job? Now here are the reasons why you can try affiliate marketing job right now. Number one, this can work as a passive income for you. So if you already have a main job, the primary job, this affiliate marketing job can be your passive income. And not just that, you can work from home, from your couch, at your own convenience. You can work from morning, from night, anytime you want. No one's going to tell you anything. And here, there's no customer support. You won't be talking to your customers or helping your customers. And this will be a performance-based earning. Last but not the least, it is very cost efficient, and do not underestimate the power of SEO. So that is all you need to know about the affiliate marketing program. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about how to start a business or career building courses or personal finance or business and farming courses in 6 different languages, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And don't forget to use my code NAT. If you use this code, you will be getting 2,000 rupees worth scholarship absolutely free. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.